Welcome back. Holding around at the low point of trade for the Nifty 15,772, which is also the 20-day moving average. So good time to get into technical perspective. Jay Thakkar of Marwari Shares and Finance joins in now. Jay, what do you make of the way the market is moving? Do you think it's a range that is continue to sustain or likely to continue to sustain, or maybe it will break out at some point? Whether it will break out or break down, what are the charts saying?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Mangalam. Mangalam, I think now the index has reached to a point wherein we should see the breakout coming in soon as far as the Nifty is concerned, because it has been consolidating within this band of 15,900 on the upside to 15,600 to 500 on the downside. Now that's a broader range. Now the range is getting narrower, Mangalam, and now the lower end of the range is 15,700 and the upper end of the range remains the same, that is 15,900. So from 400 points range, it has narrowed down to 200 points range, and that clearly indicates now that anytime soon, I mean today being an expiry, I think we can see it closing between this range of 15,700 to 800. But I think by tomorrow we should get a breakout. I think the probability of a breakout on the upside is higher because overall perspective, if you see that the Bank Nifty is trading comparatively quite with a positive bias as that of Nifty, and Nifty has formed a very good ascending triangular pattern, Mangalam. Generally these kind of patterns provide a breakout on the upside. So once it takes off 15,900, I think we should get further momentum on the upside. So there is a good risk reward right now in the market to initiate long positions. Hence, I have two buy recommendations. The first buy recommendation is on Lupin. One can buy Lupin for a target of 1200 and one can place a stop loss at 1120. This is a short-term trade, and I think Lupin seems to have completed a nice 5-wave declining structure. There should be at least 38 to 50% bounce back now on the counter. And the second buy recommendation is on HDFC Bank. Now, as I said, Mangalam, that banking stocks are already in a good momentum, and they are in fact outperforming the Nifty right now in the short term. HDFC Bank has provided a very nice breakout from a consolidation. It seems to be retesting the breakout level. The risk reward is absolutely in favor of the bulls. One can buy this targeting 1570 in the short term and place a stop loss at 1505.
Okay, all right, Jay, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and talking to us. Well, that's some news which is positive for JSW Steel. There's an upgrade in terms of ratings where the outlook has remained stable, but the upgrade is to A.